Hello everyone, we are Team InnovateX and today we are presenting CatchUpX, a multi-subject generative AI engine designed to repair foundational learning gaps in math, science and English. Our team is led by Himanshu Verma. He is front-end architect and Gen AI lead. Myself, Avishkar More, cloud architect and backend DevOps lead. Abdul Azeem, AI prompt engineer and system logic designer, and Aadithyan, our product manager and UI workflow. Moving ahead, let's discuss the core problem. Falling behind doesn't happen in one day, it builds silently. Across India, millions of students advance from one class to the next without ever mastering their foundational concepts. But for our generation, this problem became far worse due to the COVID 19 lockdown. Schools shut down overnight, classes shifted online, and many students, including me, struggled to learn properly. My entire academic flow was disrupted, and when I began preparing for JEE, I realized I was falling behind, not because the syllabus was hard, but because I never caught up on the concepts I missed during COVID 19. Those missing fundamentals directly contributed to my low initial JEE percentile. Another teammate faced a similar challenge, struggling with class 10 trigonometry and geometry, gaps that carried forward for years. And this is not just our story, this is a nationwide crisis. 70% of students are below grade level. Concept gaps compound every single year. Coaching assumes prior knowledge, widening the gap. Students don't know what they are weak in, and there is no personalized catch up roadmap available today. Students don't fail due to lack of effort. They fail because system doesn't give them any way to recover from the conceptual depth.
At CatchUpX, we focus on two major learners across India. The first group is the students from class 6 to 12, especially those who are struggling in maths, science, and English. These students often fall behind quietly and the gaps grow over time. The second group is JEE and NEET aspirants. These students are usually high performers, but they hit a plateau because some of their older concepts were never corrected, especially during the COVID lockdown years. CatchUpX is built to solve this exact problem. We are addressing a multi-subject learning crisis that affects more than 200 million students across the country.
So here's the solution, CatchUpX. CatchUpX is a three-subject generative AI academic reinforcement system built to help students catch up fast and learn smarter. It starts with adaptive micro quizzes that pinpoints hidden learning gaps across subjects and grades, even those formed during pandemic years. Based on these gaps, CatchUpX creates a personalized microcurriculum with simplified examples, worked examples, grammar and vocabulary support, summaries, practice tasks, and targeted YouTube recommendation. Finally, its smart study planner blends school workload, coaching schedules, difficulty levels, and identify gaps to build a dynamic 7-day adaptive study plan that updates as the student progresses. CatchUpX strengthens foundations, boosts confidence, and makes learning truly personalized.
Now, let's look at the technology behind CatchUpX. Our platform is powered by Amazon Bedrock, which performs three core functions: concept detection, curriculum generation, and personalized study planning. Bedrock allows us to run scalable, low latency foundation models that analyze student responses and generate tailored micro lessons instantly. Next, AWS Lambda handles all our core logic orchestrating, quiz evaluation, learning path generation, and multi-subject scheduling without managing any servers. For data storage, we use Dynamo database and Amazon S3. Dynamo database maintains user profiles, learning progress, and skill graphs, while S3 stores quiz templates, learning resources, and generated content. Our frontend is built using Streamlit or Kiro.dev, enabling rapid iteration and clean UI workflows, perfect for 12-hour hackathon on-site. This entire architecture aligns directly with the AWS impact judging criteria, that is, innovation, meaningful generation AI application, and technical feasibility.
In MVP, we are delivering a multi subject quiz engine, an AI weakness report, live catch up lessons generation, a personalized 5-day study plan, and a clean, functional UI. This MVP proves our technical strength and shows that CatchUpX can scale into a powerful academic reinforcement system.
Now coming to vision and impact. Our long-term vision is bold. We want to build India's first ever learning recovery operating system, a system that doesn't just teach but actually repairs foundational gaps, a system that improves exam performance and builds real student confidence, a system that supports multilingual language, reaches rural students, and gives every learner the same opportunities, no matter where they come from. Most importantly, we want to ensure that India never faces another COVID learning loss generation again.
The
This
closer, I want to say CatchUpX is not just an educational tool. It's a foundational repair engine built with precision, personalization, and empathy. Thank you. We are the team InnovateX, and this is CatchUpX.